everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because I have the Stamps of Life Stay Cool Collection card kit July 2026, and I am going to be using these products for my KCC 23 set of 15 cards. So let's go through what you get in here. I love this Stay Cool word and shadow die. I love those cute sequin ice creams. You get stars. These are like real puffy enamel stickers. So that is what you get. And you get that. That's what the Stay Cool looks like. And you get some ephemera from the paper pad. So I've never had a die or a kit from Stamps of Life, but after going through this kit, it's affordable and it's really cute. Look at these stickers. They're so pretty, and I love summer crafting. So everything is just really thought of, and when you think of what they put in their kits, they just really think of everything. And I love these round sentiments. Aren't they perfect for KCC challenges? And so I'm really looking forward to, well, I got started with my videos. Well, not videos, with my sketches. And as I was filming, they might seem pretty long. So I might break it up in 2 or 3 videos, but I'll play them all on the same day so you can come back and look. And I think that's easier so that I don't put a full video together in one. So let's try and do that. And look how they put their cardstock. I just love getting a box. And so this is beautiful cardstock, and you get grape, raspberry, watermelon, bubblegum, ocean, blue jay, pineapple, and kiwi. And you get some envelopes, and it's just a really, really pretty cardstock that I was just blown away. So so thank you to Stamps of Life, and I'm quickly trying to put the videos together. I just wanted you to see the unboxing before I cut into everything. And yeah, it was so much fun. I just had a lot of fun, and the only thing I probably would change is there is a trimmer that has all the measurements on it that would have worked better for me. I probably would have been more quicker. But oh well, you learn, you learn from your mistakes, right? So that's the only thing. But yeah, I'll try and break those up, those videos, just so you don't have to sit through a super long video. But look how nice this folder is. Yeah, it was very hard not to cut into these papers. I mean, I didn't want to cut into any of the paper pad either. So it's just really pretty. You get ribbon. You just get so much goodness here. And look at this paper pad. Let's go through this paper pad really quick. And you can fussy cut the ephemera in here, or you can use your brother's scan and cut. Again, I have problems with my brother's scan and cut. I probably need a new one, so I just fussy cut. But look how pretty this paper is. Oh my gosh, that's my fan blowing my my wrapper away. Look how cute. So I really love that they give you several pieces of that. You get the Stay Cool paper, so really, really fun. So I highly recommend getting this kit, and give me I don't know, give me a day or two, and hopefully I can get those videos out to you. And I love that you get colored cardstock too, because that's what I used mostly. I tried not to cut into my big sheets as much. I don't know. So that is the Stay Cool Collection card kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with those videos. Have a wonderful day.